Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available for you. If you're using Facebook and now you want to use Marketplace in your Facebook, but you are unable to use, let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that Facebook Marketplace is available in your country or region. So you can use your browser to search this. You just have to search is Facebook Marketplace is available in my country. So you just have to search for this. You just have to search for your own country and you will get the result here. So if Facebook Marketplace is available in your country, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure you are connected to a strongest internet connection, and after that you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, select VPN and make sure you're not connected to any VPN. And after doing that, you just have to go back, open your App Store or Play Store, and you have to simply search for Facebook, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update available for your Facebook app, or if you find anyone try to update your Facebook app. Once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue, or if this doesn't work for you, you have to open your Facebook app and try to clear the cache. So or tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner, and then tap on settings or the gear option in the top right corner, and here you just have to look for the option of browser, and then you'll get the option of cookies and cache. You just have to select clear, then tap on clear again, and the cache and cookies will be automatically cleared. So once you have done, it will almost fix your issue and you can now use your marketplace. Or after that, if you're still having the same issues, you have to open your menu again and then go for help and support option, then select report a problem, and then select continue to report, and also select include option, and from here you just have to look for marketplace, select that, and here you have to describe your issue. You can take screenshots, record your screen, or upload from photo. So if you have any photo of your issue, so you can try to upload your photo here, and after that tap on the send option and it will report a problem to your Facebook, and after that you will find help from your Facebook support team. So in this way you can easily fix your issue with your Facebook or marketplace is not available for you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.